So now go to the most important event of the day, that is the Lifetime Achievement Award. May I call upon the Dr. Professor Randeep Guleria sir, who is the Director of All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Professor K.K. Talwar sir, and to the dais. Dr. Rajesh Sharma sir to accompany Dr. Balram sir to the dais. We have made a short video as a surprise to sir by various students and his, some of his colleagues and friends. So can we have the video?
I'm very happy to introduce former Dean, Professor Balram Iyer, and Chief of Cardiothoracic Center, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi. One of the most prominent academician, cardiac surgeon, par excellence, able administrator, and a disciplinarian. I am fortunate to know Dr. Balram Iyer since the late 70s.
When I joined the cardiac surgery department as a resident, Dr. Balram was one of the 4 pillars of the department.
I first met Balram way back in 1979, January, I think, when I was a resident in general surgery at the All India Institute and was posted in the Department of Cardiothoracic Surgery. And Balram, I think, had just finished his general surgery training at the PGI and joined MCS there.
As a surgeon, he could do any kind of surgery, whether it's coronary artery disease or complex congenital heart disease. My association with him was mainly as part of the heart transplant program.
Born in December 1952, he became a full-fledged cardiothoracic surgeon in 1981 from All India Institute of Medical Sciences. He specialized in cardiac surgery because of his extreme abilities to become a cardiothoracic surgeon. He was promptly selected, rather invited, to be a faculty member of the Department of Cardiovascular Thoracic Surgery. It is popularly known as CTVS at All India Institute of Medical Sciences since 1981.
Dr. Balram has been one of the most complete personalities ever produced by the All India Institute CTVS department.
He was also involved as a team member for the first cardiac transplantation done in India in August 1994. This was acknowledged by the Parliament of India and declared as Heart Transplant Day in India. He has trained students in heart transplantation. In fact, he was the pioneer in heart transplants in the public sector in India, which, as you know, is very difficult.
Dr. Balram has always inspired his students by his dedication to his specialty.
I have worked with Sir more than 16 years and has been learning his skills.
I was fortunate enough to have been trained by him.
He excelled in the departments. He excelled in the administrative responsibility of all the sub-departments. I wish Dr. Balram would have continued. Unfortunately, he retired.
Maybe this is the last function which I will be attending with all of you, because today is my last day. And who can realize it better than me, how to relax after lots of stress.
He was a great pioneer surgeon, working on patients from all age groups, as well as he was a strict, punctual and very expressive person.
The great thing about Dr. Balram Iyer is his dedication to work, his detailing, his enormous ability to look at the patients, look at the details, look at the students in a way which nobody else has done. This is something which makes him an outlier when compared to others.
The 2 things that were always remarkable about him was his dedication to patient care, and secondly, his love and protective attitude towards his students.
Dean Halle, a heart transplant recipient. Dear Sir, because of your excellence, I have lived to celebrate my 20th heart transplant birthday. I'm forever grateful for the years you have added to my life.
When he was with Trimurti, which is Dr. Venugopal, Dr. Sampath, and Dr. Amra, he was completely a steely, impenetrable person who would not tolerate anything, any indiscipline at all. But when he was among the residents, he was a completely different person. He was a residence person.
In addition to being a wonderful surgeon, he is a great family person. He's always looked after his family well, and he's brought up his children to be proud citizens of the country.
He has relentlessly put selfless efforts in entire career for the advancement of cardiovascular sciences, not only in India but also in the SAARC countries. National guidelines for the treatment of children with heart disease, adults with heart failure, and the guidelines for the transplantation of organ organs act has been his major contributions, which have immensely benefited the nation by improving the cardiac health care situation in India. He has literally been the man for the nation's heart.
So, I would like to call upon the head of cardiothoracic sciences, Dr. Shiv Chaudhary, to read out the formal citation before it is handed over to Dr. Balram Aran, sir.
Thanks, Rama. Good morning, my teachers and dear colleagues. It's indeed a privilege and a matter of honor for me to read this scroll about my favorite teacher and my mentor. In fact, I have spent more time with Professor Balram than I have spent with my father. So it's an honor for me to read and speak something about him. Professor Balram Aran is a pioneer in cardiovascular surgery who has trained an entire generation of cardiovascular surgeons in the country. Born in December 1952 in Haryana, Professor Aran trained at All India Institute of Medical Sciences and in Australia before being inducted into the Department of Cardiothoracic and Vascular Surgery at AIIMS as a faculty member in 1981. He then went on to become the head of the department and also served as the chief of Cardiothoracic Sciences Center and the dean academics of the institute. Although a complete cardiothoracic and vascular surgeon par excellence, pediatric cardiac surgery remains his first love. He has performed over 25,000 open heart surgeries and has one of the world's largest experience in a variety of complex cardiac surgeries in small children. He was a member of the pioneering team which performed the first heart transplant in India on 3rd August 1994. Under his eagle eye and with his attention to detail, a flock of cardiac surgical residents received their baptism by fire. In an academic career spanning over 36 years, he has trained more than 200 cardiac surgeons from India and abroad who currently occupy chairs of excellence globally. And Professor Aran was involved in more than 165 research projects, has over 200 publications, and has made more than 250 expert speaker appearances in various national and international conferences. He has served as a member of several national and international cardiac surgical professional bodies and has been awarded several honors, fellowships, and delivered prestigious orations. Professor Aran embodies the finest qualities of a sincere teacher, an honest researcher, an able administrator, and a visionary who always worked towards advancing the field of cardiovascular sciences in the country. Pediatric Cardiac Society of India is honored to present the Lifetime Achievement Award to Professor Dr. Balram Aran. Thank you.
I would now like to request the director to present the citation to Balram Aran, sir. I'd request Professor Talwar sir to present the plaque to Dr. Balram Aran, sir. I would call upon our current president, Dr. Rajesh Sharma sir, to present the memento to Balram Menon sir. I would like to request the chairs to take their space and Dr. Balram Menon sir. So over to Balram Menon sir.
Good morning. First and foremost, I'd like to thank the Pediatric Cardiac Society of India for having considering me for this award, which is quite prestigious to me. I take more pride in the fact that I stand on the soil of a big institution which has been my alma mater, which I joined way back in 1970, almost 50 years back. First and foremost, I will thank my parents because of whom I am in this world. My mother and elder brothers who helped my mother to bring me up when I lost my father at the age of 10. My lovely wife who stood with me like a solid rock during my ups and downs, and my lovely children who made their own career without ever letting me down. Now I come to my teachers, my school teachers who helped me in building a strong foundation on which I ascended. My mentors during my MBBS days at AIMS, my MS at PGI, and then finally, my mentors, Professor Gopinath, Professor Venugopal, Professor I.M. Rao, Professor Sampath, my senior professors and colleagues in other departments like cardiology, Professor Sujoy B. Roy, Professor Rajan Tandon, Professor M.L. Bhatia, and the list goes on, who helped me in crafting my own professional career. And besides making me a cardiac surgeon, they also taught me the values of life. My colleagues in the department, senior, junior ones, always taught me. And I'm still learning from them on my WhatsApp groups where we interact with each other. Most importantly, my students. They make me proud. In fact, I consider a biggest achievement of my life is that of my students, because all of them are doing great work. They are better surgeons than me. They are better human beings. And they are spread all over India and abroad, acquiring the prestigious positions in private and the public sector. They are my pride. My patients who entrusted their lives in my hands. And as Dr. Kothari said, the distrust I found almost never there, because they were explained properly even before the operation, what to expect, what not to expect. Now, a short suggestion to our younger generations, which I was taught by Dr. Venugopal. My job after I joined my MCVH was just to work. Work, work, work. Forget the rest. Same I pass on. That everybody has got their ambitions, their goals. But if you are true to your work, if you work hard, the goals and ambitions will follow. No matter whether you pursue them or not, they will automatically come to your lap. The second suggestion, there are lots of innovation, the development of the techniques these days. However, before you adopt them, think of the well-being of the patient. What suits a particular patient, please follow that. What will be good for him in the long run? What will long-term consequences? Also, in our India, what are the financial constraints? What will the effect on their family? Please consider all these before you apply to them. So again, I thank all of you. May God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Can we all stand in respect of Professor Balram Iyer?